What's up, my crypto lovers? I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. My name is Crypto Nug. Let's get into it. What's up, my crypto lovers? This is Crypto Nug from Just Crypto HQ, and we're back at it with another Bitcoin technical analysis update. So let's have a look in the chart and let's see what we can see. So basically, I mentioned to you guys that Bitcoin was forming a double bottom pattern. Let me just show you guys, right? This was the double bottom pattern. As you can see, we got rejected off this rejection line at 45 to 46K. And I did mention to you guys, this is such a crucial level for Bitcoin. Such a crucial level for Bitcoin. Reason being is if we do not break through this level over here, we can basically form a double top pattern, which is a extremely bearish pattern. So this would be a double top pattern. It looks like an M, and it seems like we are breaking crucial levels as well. As you guys can see, we actually came down to support. This was like the final line of support for me in order to basically go back up to complete the double bottom pattern. But now it seems that we're getting a solid engulfing candle. An engulfing candle is a candlestick that is longer than the previous candles. As you can see, this one's way longer than any of these over here. So it's showing that there is strong downward momentum. So the only other support that I do see for Bitcoin right now is this uptrend support over here. We just taking the lows, Bitcoin's actual lows, which is over here and over here, and then we're drawing a support line, right? So we draw a yellow support line. That is the only other support that I can see for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin comes down, there is a possibility that Bitcoin can form a triple bottom pattern and bounce from here. A triple bottom is basically a double bottom, right? But with another bottom. So there's three bottoms, 1, 2, 3. And that's a bullish pattern. And then you get a bearish pattern, which is a triple top pattern, which has another rollover. That would be 1, 2, 3. So you see how crucial this level would be for Bitcoin to break through? That would be the crucial level for Bitcoin to break through. But that's only if we get a bounce over here at this level over here. This is the final support for Bitcoin, as I'm mentioning. And the reason why I'm more bearish is because there's obvious signs in the charts that we have to be looking at for Bitcoin. And like I told you guys, I'll always update you guys when there's a trade we can take. So there was short trades over here. These were very obvious short trades. You guys see this support over here that I drew, right? This is this little gray support box. You see how the price broke down and then got rejected off this gray box. And now it's getting rejected off the green box. So these were obvious short trades, right? But they've already played out. And the reason why I say that I'm more bearish is because if we go over to the total crypto market cap, it's a bit more obvious here, guys. Like, we're not just going to be full bullish because the chart's looking bullish. You've got to look at it objectively in a bullish and a bearish case scenario. And the reason why I'm more to the bearish side is because look at what Bitcoin and look at what the total crypto market cap has been doing. The total crypto market cap has been sitting in higher lows the whole time. Higher lows. And that is a downtrend, an extremely bearish downtrend. If you are sitting in higher lows continuously, it means the trend is going to continue downwards. So here's the first high, here's the second high, here's the third high, and look, we at this stage at the moment where the highs are they're still getting lower. See how this one's lower and this one's lower as well. So this is a clear downtrend for the total crypto market cap and including Bitcoin as well. So that's why hence I was more to the bearish side, because I didn't see any signs of strength. A sign of strength is once we make a higher high and a higher low. So if the total crypto market cap had to set a higher high than this and this, that is a bullish sign, because then we can retest these as support again and then go up. So that would be a higher high and then come down to make a higher low, because this will be the low, a higher high, a new low, a higher high, and a new low, right? That would confirm the uptrend. Right now, it's clear and it's obvious. It's in a strong downtrend. There is no higher highs. These are all lower highs. Like that's all you need to be looking at, the total crypto market cap. And like I mentioned, there was short trade, and this is how I'll show you guys where these short trades were. You see the gray box, you see this resistance line that I drew here. It's a nice long gray box. Look at how the total crypto market cap came down, retested that zone to break back above it, and then it failed. So basically it came down here, it retested this to try to get back out to confirm a bullish momentum, but it didn't. It failed, and boom, it came right back down. And I do see this price going lower. There is clear signs that this price is going lower. Like I mentioned, an engulfing candle. This candle body is longer than all of these candles over here. It means that there's more downside to come, right? So we are looking for more downside in the Bitcoin and the total crypto market cap. So if we move over to Bitcoin, Bitcoin most likely and potentially will be coming down to these levels over here to be testing this as support. And like I mentioned, we could be going for a triple bottom pattern, but that's only confirmed if we are able to hold this level. If Bitcoin falls right through, we know Bitcoin's going down to the, let's zoom out a bit. Bitcoin's going to come down to the, let me just remove these for you guys. Bitcoin's going to come down to the 30K areas, right? This is the zone that Bitcoin's going to come down to, the next support zone. And I drew this out pretty clearly for you guys. Look at these support and resistance zones. They're all being respected exactly to the T. This is one support zone, right? It looks a bit messy now because I just zoomed out, but if you zoom in, you'll be able to see a lot clearer. That's a support zone. And the reason why this box is green, guys, is because that's a strong support zone. And you see how we just sliced through and we retested it and came down? That means we were failing to hold it as support. So basically, the support has now been broken. And now the support is going to become resistance, right? So it will fight to get back up there. And if it doesn't, we know 30K is the next levels. And I also showed you guys this chart a few days ago. And I'm tracking this chart to the T still today. I'm going to zoom out. This is the daily time frame. This looks a lot messy over here, but I'm going to explain exactly what I see here to you guys. If I do this, right? Look at this chart. This chart is literally exactly to the T, right? This over here is accumulation. This over here is accumulation. The price ran up. The price ran up. Back into accumulation. Back into accumulation. Running up again. Running up again. Then starting a distribution. So it did a run up. Started a distribution. Right? You guys see that? After the distribution, it fell down. After this distribution, it fell down and distributed again. And then fell down. So it fell down, distributed again, and then fell down. And now we're at this crucial zone over here. This is where I think we are, right? This little section over here. I think we're here right now. I don't think we're in the accumulation yet. It's to be confirmed. Only if we get that bounce on this yellow line, then I would say this is accumulation. But for now, this looks like it's coming back up and it's getting rejected. You see this line over here? If you extend this line out, that's a rejection and going down. So if we look at the Bitcoin chart, what is happening is that the Bitcoin is coming down and it's getting a rejection of this line. And it's getting a rejection of this line. So there is a possibility that the price is going to come down to these levels. And this is where our actual accumulation will start, right? This zone over here. The final zone before the uptrend. Do you guys see that? It's pretty clear. The final zone before the accumulation. So this will be the last accumulation. Then the price runs up. So I'm going to just take this away. It will be invalidated. I told you guys it will be invalidated if we find a bounce here. Because then this box would be the accumulation, right? Then this would be the accumulation because we are finding support at this lows. So this would be basically be the accumulation zone. It could come down to the red box. And this would be the accumulation zone before the price runs up. For now, though, I do see the price breaking down further. Reason being, everybody thinks that the price can't go down further, and that's exactly what happens. The price breaks down further. It's as simple as that. So that is the key levels for Bitcoin, guys. I'm going to show you guys the next trade. The moment I see the next trade, I'll update you guys. This is Crypto Nug. Peace and love. Also, please give me a like and a follow, and drop anything in the comments if you want me to look at any chart for you guys. And anything you'd like to also go over, any surprising news, or anything you just want to communicate over, guys. And yeah, much love. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also guys, like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it as we are trying to grow to our first 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. This is not financial advice. It's only my opinion and it's for educational purposes only.